Hi guys and welcome back. So today we're making a marble loaf cake. Let's begin. So thank you to Amy Turkle for suggesting that I try a marble cake. I've done it in a loaf form, but you could also put this into a cake tin if you wanted to. So into your mixing bowl of choice, you'll want to put your butter and your sugar and mix the two until they are lighter and fluffier in consistency and they will become paler in colour. Once you've achieved a light and fluffy consistency, you'll then want to scrape down the sides of your bowl to incorporate any bits that may not have been from earlier on. Next you'll want to start adding your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition. This stage won't take you very long, and don't worry if your mixture does scramble a little bit, don't worry, you'll be able to recover it with the flour, which you'll add later on. Now you'll want to sift in your dry ingredients. I will leave all the weights and measures of all the ingredients used in the description down below. You will then want to mix this on a low speed just until the flour is incorporated. If your mixture is a little thick, you can add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk and then add in your vanilla and just mix to combine. So now that your cake batter is done, you'll want to divide it by 2 and put one half in one bowl and keep your other half in the other bowl. Into one bowl you'll want to add the cocoa powder and chocolate and mix that just to combine. You may need to add a bit of milk just to loosen the mixture. So you'll want to put dollops of your mixture into your loaf pan until you have none left, then get a knife and swirl it through just to get that marble effect on the top and inside the cake. I'm not 100% sure what happened to the footage of me putting the cake mixture into the tin, but I can't find it anywhere. This cake is now ready for the oven. I will leave all baking times and temperatures in the description down below. So here is what the cake looks like once it's fully baked and just out of the oven. I will leave this to cool completely and then I'll remove it from the tin and we can enjoy it. So now that the cake is completely cooled, I thought I'd cut into it to show you the marbled effect inside. So the fun thing about this cake is you're never going to get two slices exactly the same, you're always going to have a different effect inside. You could also work with different flavours and different colours if you really wanted to switch this up. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with another video. If you have any suggestions, you can leave them in the comments down below or message me on one of my social medias. All my tags are in the description of this video. So yeah, why don't you check me out over on social media. I do post on Instagram stories whenever I'm baking, so you could get a sneak peek into future bakes. Why not check it out? Bye guys.